was just going through my phone and I checked one of my portfolios. I saw 6,000 naira inside. I was like, how did 6,000 get here? Because this is a portfolio that I've not checked in a while. I even forgot that I had something like this kept somewhere. Then I realized that this was a portfolio I created late last year and I forgot about it, and I just carelessly drop something in it, and it gave me that particular 6,000 naira. Now the main question right now is 6,000 naira worth it? Well, based on our today's economy, I'll tell you no, 6,000 is not worth it. But that's not the point. The point right here is that if I can actually get 6,000 from that particular portfolio, which means there is a potential that I might get more than 6,000 from that particular portfolio someday. I just have to tweak the way it is, or the way it currently is right now. And that's what I want to be talking about today in this particular video. See me for the first time, you're welcome. My name is Solomon. I share different side hustles on my channel. If you want to get more content from me, like the video, share the video, do subscribe so they can get more content from me. You can join my community on YouTube. Click on the join button, support the effort. Thank you very much. Or you can join us on my Telegram channel or on my WhatsApp groups. Mind you, this is not a financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Your life will not change after watching this video. This is not a life-changing opportunity. If I say that, I'm actually lying. I'm just here to pass an information about a personal discovery. So this is just like me sharing my own personal experience to my community. So what I can actually guarantee you is that you're going to learn something today. But whether that thing brings out finance or not later, that actually depends on the application of the information you're getting from me today. So this is not a financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. Before we talk about this particular portfolio that gave me 6,000 naira, I want us to go back to a previous portfolio that did something similar. Some time ago, I made a video about a portfolio that gave me 34,000 naira. So I want us to run through that again before I'm going to show you the one that gave me the 6,000 naira recently, so that we can compare the both of them to see which one is actually better. The first portfolio that gave me 34,000, that was not the first money I got from that portfolio. Neither was it the last. It's just that the 34 is something I can use for an example. Okay, now that particular portfolio is a portfolio that I created with a mutual fund. Now there's something called mutual fund. Mutual fund is like a collection of stocks and bonds into a particular portfolio managed by a professional. Now these are people that know what they are doing, and you can access this through some brokers. And the broker I use, they call it Pluto's Neo. Pluto's Neo. You know, they used to call it Optimus before, but now they call it Pluto's Neo. And that particular portfolio I created on Pluto's Neo, I bought some units from that particular portfolio. I own over 2,600 units from this particular mutual fund. They call it a Freeverse Pluto's Fund. A Freeverse Pluto's Fund. I know some of you are confused already. Solomon, what are you talking? Are you speaking in tongues? What are stocks? A company can come out and say, okay, we want to start selling our company stocks to other people. Let's use MTN for example. MTN is a very popular company. They have their shares, you know, they start selling their stocks. Me as a person, I cannot buy MTN because it's a very big company. At least for now, it's very expensive. But I can buy their shares. I can't buy the company, but I can buy their shares. So their shares are more affordable than me going to buy the whole company. So buying their shares is the same thing as buying part of the company. This is not a breakdown of the stock market. I think I made a video about that some time ago. But today I just want to throw more light on this particular portfolio. Now, stocks and mutual fund, which one is much more better? Well, I'll tell you that mutual funds are much more safer than stocks. And the reason is because stocks fluctuate a lot. Stocks actually fluctuates a lot. It goes up and it comes down a lot. And sometimes you might be liquidated if you don't know the kind of company you're buying from. You know, maybe if you buy from a company that will run tomorrow or break down tomorrow or go out of business tomorrow, you can't be liquidated if you don't know what you are doing. Now, when it comes to mutual fund, it's more safer because it doesn't fluctuate. The only thing that fluctuates is the profit you collect or the dividends you're collecting from them, not your capital. Your capital still stays safe. That is why they call it collection of stocks and bonds. So they are not investing this into one company. They are investing this into different companies so that if something goes wrong here, this other one can support you. If something goes wrong here, this other one can support you. That is what stocks and mutual funds are. So I invested in this one. They call it Afriverse Pluto's fund. I have over 2,000 units from this particular one. To buy it, I think it's just 100 naira for you to buy one unit. So that is it, which means I've not really put much in it, but I've been getting dividends from them from time to time. Now, the one that gave me that particular 6,000 naira was this one. I bought this one from Cowrywise. Cowrywise is another broker that allows you to invest into the stock market, to invest into mutual fund, build a portfolio for yourself, for savings and so on and so forth. Okay, and it's actually a legal company. It's a legit company. For now, what I do know right is that inside Cowrywise they have an option called Nigerian stocks. You can actually buy Nigerian stocks, and they have an option called Naira funds. Now, this Naira funds is just like you investing into mutual funds. That is what it is. I actually created a portfolio with Naira funds. I never knew that it was still existing. So what happened was that I discovered that, oh, I had a mutual fund here. So I clicked on the mutual fund and I discovered that I've gotten over 35.9% YTD from this particular portfolio. I'm like, wow, this is amazing. Now you're going to see that this is how my portfolio has been performing. Now, these people, they took the money I gave them and they invested it into 4 different companies. The first company right here was this one. Is it Caral Balance or something? Now, they spread my capital into 4 different companies. They do all the work. So what I did was that I just sat and I got my dividends, or I got my yield. And what I can do, I can decide to come here and top up more and more and more. So let me show you what I mean by that. Now you're going to see right here that I started this portfolio on the 5th of August in 2025. So I dropped 10,000. I mean, that was when I registered on Cowrywise. I just left it there. I came back on the 23rd of September. I added another 3,000. I added another 5,000 on the 8th of November, and I abandoned it there. So it was when I discovered that I've gotten 6,000 naira from this little amount. I was like, oh, means this thing have potential. So 2 days ago, I came back and I added 15k and I added 5k inside the portfolio. Let me see how it's going to perform. This video was sponsored by Teo Pay. Teo Pay is an app that carries out transactions through cryptocurrency. A lot of people have crypto in their Trust Wallet and Binance and the rest, but before they spend it, they need to convert it to Naira or any other currency. But with Teo Pay, you can own a crypto physical card or a crypto virtual card. Now, this card will allow you to make payments internationally, pay for your subscriptions like Apple Music and so on and so forth. Different subscriptions. Maybe if you're doing AI, you can pay for your Google subscriptions, your Suno subscriptions, and any other subscriptions that you want to pay. So their card offers international payments in one app. And not just that, they also have an option where you can also invest into the stock market. You can buy different stocks from their app. They have a lot of features right here. They also have the affiliate program, where if you're using the app to do your payments and you love the app, you can also recommend it to people and you get some commissions inside the app. They have a lot of features right here that I cannot even start to be explaining. So it's actually a cryptocurrency transaction app that offers you the opportunity to make international payments using cryptocurrency instead of fiat, or instead of dollars, or instead of your local currency. You can do everything with crypto. So I started using it recently and it's been fantastic. So for now, it's actually amazing, but as it is, I'm going to keep you guys updated. You can check out the app on Google Play Store or on App Store, or I can drop the link for you to go and check it out. So how can you go about this portfolio inside Cowrywise? Like I said, first of all, you have to sign up an account inside Cowrywise, verify your account with your ID card. It might take some time. Inside Cowrywise, there's something they call stash. Now, after you verify your account, this stash is where you can fund your account. So you can fund your account, and after you fund your account inside Cowrywise, just come. There's a place they call invest inside Cowrywise. You can just check that out. Now under invest, there's a place they call Naira fund. Now if you're registering an account inside Cowrywise, you will have the option of creating this portfolio automatically, but just in case you missed it over there, you can still recreate it again by following these steps. So come to this place they call Naira Funds. You just go ahead and click on that. There's something they call Discover. Now, once you click on Discover, you're going to see different portfolios: low risk, medium risk, high risk portfolios that you can check out. If you're a risk taker or you have a good financial advisor, you can tell them to advise you on what to do. But personally, for me, I went for the low risk one. Low risk, which nothing affects my capital, but I still get my dividends every three months, or every month, or every two months, based on how it goes. In 1 year time, in 2 years time, you're going to notice that you've been able to make a significant amount of progress using this particular portfolio, guys. So that is how this works, and that is how I got that 6,000 naira. The truth is that the money is not much. Yes, it might not be much, it's not much, but it is the potential that matters. A lot of things you can do inside there, like your stock market, buying different Nigerian stocks, savings, a lot of things you can do. But that is what I choose. Do you think I'm over exaggerating, or I'm too excited for 6K? Or do you think this has a potential to be something profitable in the future? Just share your opinion in the comment section. Like I said, it's always good to consult a financial advisor or a professional in stock exchange or in stock broking, or a professional in the stock market to guide you and to teach you what to do. I am just here to share my own personal experiences, my wins, my losses, what is going on with me. I'm just here to share that. So it's left for you to consult professionals to teach you. I'm not a professional. I'm still a student. I'm going to see you guys in my next video, and bye for now.